That'll be alright.
Right, should we do a countdown?
Go.
There we go.
10, 9, 8, 7,
2,
6,
Oh, wait, kick off.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap. Oh my God.
I think it's supposed to open up. I know, right? Open up. Dad, it's gone over the tree.
I can't even see it anymore.
Oh no, the parachute is working.
Can you see it? Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
It's in the house.
That was a beauty.
Just there. Just there in the sun. In the sun.
It's winning the sun.
Oh my God. It had a second burst.
Yeah, I saw it. It's gone. And it's coming down. It's gone back up.